Flight control, testing 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, test complete.
Canelo Alvarez is in the news. He is upset and not happy with Lionel Messi as he saw Argentina beat Mexico in the World Cup, and Canelo was not happy with the celebration that took place in the Argentinian locker room after the match. So here is the actual tweet seen from Canelo Alvarez after the matchup. Messi being seen cleaning the floor with the jersey. He says, "You should ask God that I don't find him. Look at what he's talking about."
Flight control, testing 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, test complete.
Sex up like Mike. Nothing like that. Man, it wasn't nothing like that first. She was in my math class. Long hair, brown skin with the fat.
I love you for infinity. I love you for infinity.
He's out of sight. Whoa, you done got me pipe. Even if you are not ready for the day,